Hello guys, so today, we will build the best $2,150 PC. So let's begin. For the CPU, go with the 7800X3D. It's the best gaming CPU on the planet. It has 8 cores, 16 threads. Also 5.0 GHz boost clock, making it the best gaming CPU. The price of it is $500 on Amazon. To cool it, we will use this Thermalright 360mm AIO. For the MOBO, get this Gigabyte X670. It's an X670 MOBO, making it a high-end MOBO. Especially it's available for $210 in Amazon. For the SSD, we are going with the SK Hynix 2TB Gen 4NVMe M.2 SSD. Its read and write and speed are between 700 to 600 Mbps, which is more than enough for gaming. For the RAM, go with a 32GB kit. DDR5 RAM clocked at 7200 MHz and CL34 timing, which is still very fast for gaming. For the case, Montech XR for $65 off Amazon. It has 3 pre-installed ARC fans, which for only $65 you can't pass up, especially with its beautiful fish tank look. For bottom intake, get these Thermalright 120mm case fans. For the PSU, go with this NZXT 1000. It's a 1000 watt PSU. It's gonna be more than enough for this build. And if you wanted to upgrade to like a 4090, you can still do it with this PSU. Also go with these cable extension to boost the aesthetics of your PC. Finally, the GPU, which for this build, we are going with the 7900XDX. It has 24GB VRAM and 384-bit memory bus. So yeah guys, that's the best $2,150 gaming PC. See you later, bye.